Hello everyone, I'm back again, and today I'm going to make 2 pages, I think, or 3 pages, I'm not sure yet, but a few pages in my December daily journal. Yesterday I made this one, and I journaled on this little card, and I made a tag with this page like so, and I journaled on that tag, or tag, yeah, journal card, whatever. So I like that, and today I'm going to make the day 3 and 4 and maybe some more, I'm not sure yet. 3 and 4, maybe some more, but I'm not sure. Yeah. This is a piece of an old Christmas card, and I like that. It's not straight. I didn't cut it straight. I want to use that as a, how do you call that, a belly band? Like so. And then, oh yeah, I did a bit prepare today, because yesterday I didn't, with the last video I didn't prepare things, and well, it takes time to search and think and try. So I thought, well, the video was a bit too long, I thought, and so I prepared it a bit, so I don't have to search so much and think so much. I want to glue this on. I already looked for a number 3, December 3. This is a bubble, and I can journal on that. And maybe I don't have enough. Maybe I have to journal on another one. Where is it? There it is. I have another one. I have several. So if I don't have enough room, I hope I can stick 2. Well, I always can stick 2 because they can overlap. That's no big deal. So maybe I do the journaling first and then glue the belly band on, so I know how many bubbles or balls or whatever are going under the belly band. So I'm going to journal first on this one, and then I'll be back. So I did journal, and it could on one bubble, so I'm going to put 1 bubble under the belly band. So I'm going to glue the band here. Do I have a pencil? Yeah. Do it this way. I glue it here, there, and there, and there. So I'm putting glue on there, like so, here. Oh, the other way. Bit lower, not in the middle, like so. I'm going to glue this one over here. This one should fit there, and this one here. In the middle, and the number 3. Where shall I put number 3? There, there, there. I don't know. Well, I think that's going to fit here. So a little piece of yarn. No, it's not a journaling card, but a tag. Like so. And this, and no, I don't like that. Like so. Or shall I cut the 3 out a bit smaller? I think I'm going to do that. Cut it out like so. So, and now I can do it on there or there. No, I do it on this bubble. How do we call such a thing? Ornament. So, number 3, December the 3rd. Like so. Alright, it's a bit too narrow, but it's okay this way. So, that's page number of day 3. I didn't add color the edges, I see. Maybe I should have done that. Well, I leave it this way, it's okay. I like all those bubbles. Yeah. So now I'm going to make page number of day 4, and I have a little envelope, and I'm going to journal on that, on the envelope. I don't know what to do with this. I'm going to color the edges. That's what I'm going to do with red, I think. Do I have my red one here? Sorry, everything is out of order. So just color the edges a bit. It's dry again, so spray some alcohol, honey. Maybe I have to refill it, I'm not sure. Okay. So, and I'm gluing this little guy over here, I think. And I made paper clips. I put a link over there to that video where I make these things. So I'm going to clip that on the page like so, gluing this, and I have a number 4. I'm going to glue that on the envelope, or not, yes, on the envelope, like so. Maybe a piece of lace. Well, no, I can't do that anymore. I can do it on the page though. Yeah, I can do it on the page. So I will cut a piece off, or should I do this lace? No, I like the other more. Piece of lace like so. That like there. And piece of lace over there. Yeah. Just make a mark, honey, so you know where. Some glue. Like so. Over there, I said. So, wait a few seconds. Well, I have to glue that too, I see. And there. Maybe there too. I hope it sticks. Glue this on. It's from an old card, old Christmas card too. So I do reuse my old Christmas cards. Like that. I'm going to journal in there. December 4. I will look it up. Where is December the 4th? Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to write that on here. So, and clip the envelope on here like so. Like that. Like so. Should I do something more? Maybe some washi tape? No, I think it's good enough like this. Yeah. Well, I didn't prepare December 5th, but I will gather some things I want to use, and then I'm doing December the 6th too today. So day 5 is going to be an easy one. I found this piece of card I cut out. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to journal on the back. I'm going to glue a little wooden snowflake on it, and here is the number 5 in that corner. I'm going to color the edges with green, I think. Yeah, let's do green this time. We in the Netherlands we have on December the 5th Sinterklaas, and that's well, they say it's the same man as the Christman. How do we call that? We celebrate that in the Netherlands. Not everyone does, but most children, it's a children's fest. And then it's, well, they get presents on December the 5th, the children, and they sing every evening with the on the chimney. They have their shoes, or one of the shoes they are singing for, how do we call that? One of the shoes they put somewhere in the house, and they sing for St. Niklaus a few songs for him. And the other day when they wake up, there will be some candy or a little present in their shoe, and well, they love that very much. And on December the 5th they are getting presents, more presents, big presents. So that's day number 5. Good enough. This is it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to do 6, 7 and 8, I think. And then the day after tomorrow, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, then I'm on track again. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.